In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate MailerLite with Shopify. This guide is your one-stop shop for seamless setup, perfect for enhancing your email marketing efforts directly through your store. We'll walk through the steps, providing insights and tips to ensure a smooth integration. So, grab a comfortable seat and let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. From there, look to your left-hand sidebar and you'll find the Apps section. Go ahead and click on that. This section is your gateway to a host of tools that can elevate your store's functionality and efficiency. Within this section, look for the option labeled Visit Shopify App Store. Clicking here will direct you to a vast selection of applications tailored to meet various business needs. Now, since you're on the hunt for MailerLite, there's a handy search bar at the top of the page. Click on it and type in MailerLite Email Automation by MailerLite. After typing in the name, commence your search by hitting Enter. Once your search results appear, locate the MailerLite app from the list. It should be prominently displayed, given its utility and popularity among Shopify users. Click on the Add App button that you'll find next to it. Now, this will trigger a prompt asking for confirmation and permissions necessary for installation. Review these permissions to understand what the app will access within your Shopify store. After you've thoroughly looked through the details, you're ready to click the Install App button. This will initiate the installation process, and within moments, MailerLite will be seamlessly integrated into your Shopify setup. During installation, if you encounter any issues or error messages, a few troubleshooting tips can come in handy. Ensure that any ad blocking or pop-up blocking software is disabled, as these might interfere with the installation process. Additionally, double-check that your internet connection is stable to avoid any unexpected disruptions. The installation of the MailerLite app opens up a new suite of email automation features and tools. With this integration completed, you'll be able to manage your email campaigns directly from Shopify, allowing for a more unified and effective customer outreach strategy. Remember, consistent communication with your customers can significantly boost engagement and ultimately, sales. So, there you have it. A straightforward way to bring together the power of MailerLite with your Shopify store. This integration offers a more personalized and targeted approach to marketing, simplifying the path to growing your business. Thanks for sticking with us through these steps. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now ready to enhance your email marketing capabilities with ease. Happy selling, and until next time, keep experimenting and exploring to make the most out of your Shopify store.